Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss how we use the XPath in Playwright. Okay, how we identify the locators in Playwright using XPath selector. Okay, let's see. So here we have two fields, username and password. Okay, and then login button. So I'm going to create XPath and then I will use the same XPath in Playwright. So this is the username input field. Okay, you can see here we have attribute username, a name attribute with value username as well as the placeholder username. So we can pick these attribute, like I'm going to pick the name attribute to create the XPath. So selecting this and then Control F. I just copied the name attribute with its value, and if you want to create XPath, then we need to start with the double slash, and this is the input tag, so we will use input. And then we have @ name equal to username. You can see XPath is created for the field input tag. Okay, so we can use single quote, put value in single quote, as well as we can put in double quote. So I'm going to use single quote here. So if we want to use in the Playwright, so just we need to call Playwright page dot locator and paste the XPath. Okay, and then we can call the method to fill, to input the text. So we have for here, we have input, we have fill method, and let's type here admin is username. Same type for the password field, we can create XPath. Here name is name attribute, its value is password, so we can create, use this value to create XPath. So slash, this tag is input, so using the slash input @ name attribute equal to its value. Now in Playwright we just need to call the page dot locator and then pass the XPath, and then calling fill method, and this is the password admin123. Okay, so only we need to create XPath and pass into the page dot locator method. So let's create XPath of the login button. So here is a button. We can use type attribute here. So double slash button @ type attribute. Okay, and its value. XPath is created, and copy this and call the page dot locator method, pass the XPath. Okay, I'm going to replace double quotes with single quote, then call click method. Okay, so Playwright will identify XPath by using double slash. If we are using double slash, so it will internally, it will convert our XPath like this, XPath equal to its value. Okay, so let me run. Now you will see. So test started running. You can see browser is opened, Chromium browser, URL navigated. Now it will enter username, password, click on login button, and you can see user is able to log in successfully. Okay, so directly we can pass the locators like XPath in a locator method. Okay, internally, as I told, it will convert into the XPath equal and then its value. Okay, if also we can pass here same syntax, XPath equal to, okay, and this will work. So it's optional. If we use the XPath equal to and use the XPath value, it will work. Also we can ignore XPath. In that case, Playwright will automatically identify the locator by using double slash. Yeah, you can see XPath equal to and value, this is working. Same thing is working. Sometime we need to create XPath and we need to pass the index, right? Like wrap up this in double quote in the small bracket and then use the index in this way. So let's see what will happen if we use the same type XPath running the test. Browser is launched. Now it's navigating the URL. Enter username, password, and click on login button. Okay, so this way this is also working. So it will identify the double slash and then convert XPath equal to its value. So now hope this will help you how we use XPath selector in Playwrights. Okay, thanks for watching the video. And if you like my video, please subscribe the channel, share to your colleagues, friends,